Here is the question 1 by root 7 plus 3 root 2 whole square. Question is rationalize the denominator. So in order to rationalize the denominator, whole square is given. We should eliminate this whole square, and that we can do by using a plus b whole square formula, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In the place of a it is root 7, in the place of b it is 3 root 2 whole square. A square means a root 7 into root 7 a square, and b square is 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 2 into ab. A means root 7 into 3 root 2. Now root 7 into root 7 is 7, that is square root of 49 is 7. And similarly let us simplify all the three terms. Here we go, root 7 into root 7 root 49, 3 into 3 3 3s are 9, 2 into 2 root 4. Outside the root symbol 3 and 2 product is 6. Inside the root symbol 7 and 2 7 2s are 14. Now square root of 49 is 7 plus 9 into square root of 4 is 2, and here the last number 6. 7 2 times is 14. Therefore the question becomes 1 by 7 9 2s are 18 plus 7 25 plus 6 root 14. Question is rationalize the denominator. Still denominator is having irrational number, so one more time we should rationalize it, and we can do it by multiplying the given question with a rationalizing factor. The rationalizing factor ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ is 25 minus 6 root 14. Then the numerator we should simplify, and denominator also we should simplify using a plus b into a minus b formula. Here you see numerator 25 minus 6 root 14, a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. Then a square place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಇದೆ, 25 square, b square place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 root 14 ಇದೆ, 6 root 14 whole square. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. 25 minus 6 root 14, numerator will not get change. Denominator 25 square is 625. 6th square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 36, root 14 square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 196, square root of 196 ಅಂದರೆ we'll get back the same 14. Now 36 into 14 is 504, and then minus this 625. Numerator will not change, 6 root 14. Then finally the last step one, it is 25 minus 6 root 14 by 625 minus 500. 625 minus 504 is 121. Now at the denominator we are not finding any irrational number. So this is how this question can be rationalized, the denominator.